Hi everyone, welcome back to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Juicy succulent chops in a spicy masala. If you think mutton chops are tough to cook, this is the recipe for you. For the marinade, in a large bowl, take 2 tablespoons of curd, add in 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder jeera, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder dhania, and mix well. Add in the mutton chops and mix until they are well coated, and leave them to marinate for 1 to 2 hours. In a pressure cooker, add in the mutton chops with the marinade, 1 medium onion finely chopped, and the coarsely ground garam masala made from 5 cloves, 5 black peppercorns, 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom, and 5 green cardamoms. Add a cup of water and cook it for 4 whistles. The chops should not be fully cooked. Take 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan, heat it till smoking point, and cool it. Now add in the mutton chops and saute it for a minute. Add in the rest of the masala from the cooker. Cook it on medium to low heat till the water dries up. Mutton chops are ready to serve. Serve them with onion rings and lemon slices. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.